I hope everyone is taking good care of themselves and observing SOPs specified by government responsibly. Remember, your house is a safe haven. So if you have been out for necessary shopping or groceries, for example, protect yourself and your families by following these sequence of rituals when you enter your home premises. Take your gloves off and discard them, preferably in a closed-top dustbin. Leave your outdoor shoes at your entrance. You can wear indoor shoes on entering your home. Specify a table for your accessories for disinfecting. It is particularly important to disinfect your mobile phone. Cell phones carry 10 times more germs than a toilet seat. It's also important to disinfect your handbag or wallet before placing them back in your cupboard, etc. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water. I cannot emphasize enough the importance. Change your dress and place them in the laundry basket for washing later. Preferably wash your face or even take a shower if you had a long day out. Stay safe and stay healthy, and let's beat COVID-19 together.